Como ça va, YouTube? Danny here, Kitchen Hydroponics. Ball. Look, you don't think nature wants to grow? You don't think nature wants to live, keep producing? Check this out. Pinecone ginger. Everything in this wheelbarrow right here is trash. Or I thought it was. Look, another one coming up right here, boy. We had this pinecone ginger in the grow tent all winter long. Forgot to water it. We forgot to water a lot of the plants in there besides the tomatoes. But all the buckets that were in there, I dumped them out. Had enough. It wasn't doing nothing. It didn't look like anything was coming up, so I dumped it in here. Run out of time, had to go to work. It started raining. And come back, and it's like, it's growing. Then it's like, broke that one right there. I thought it was a trash grass. And then I just found, right here is another one. You know, nature's amazing. It's always pushing. The ginger root was broken and trashed up, and now I'm short a wheelbarrow because I can't take it out until it starts cooling off. But so happy to still have that. Very happy. Nature's amazing. Now the dragon fruit. We've been having issues with grass in it the whole year. All year long we had issues with the grass. But that's probably gonna be the last one we have that turns. So very happy to get what we got off of them. After the cold front that hit, you know, it's been, we were pretty worried that we wouldn't get anything off of it. And as you can see, they've come back around, really come back around. We're looking for some big things from them next year. If I ever finish putting the trellises up. Be working on getting the grass pulled out today. Not the trellis on these, the umbrellas. Call them umbrellas. Yeah. But you can see we've got some good growth, some good potential. We started, oh man, probably 100 cuttings in some pots, just stuck them in there. We started them in water. They said after 7 days they would take off, start showing roots. Out of all the cuttings we had in the water, only one of them was showing any type of roots. So the soil that we had for the potatoes and the carrots, good draining soil and stuff like that. So we went ahead, I just stuck them in there before I started rotation. And man, they got some roots now. I'm gonna have to replant them before long. But as you can see, you see these grow up. We want them to be on, this is part of the umbrella. I have some more work to do on them, but we want something like that. They come up and they start to hang over like this. And where you really want, when they start to bend over, that's really where you want your fruit to come off of. So that's what we're looking forward to next year. These, I'll probably let them get a little bit longer, and then you tip the ends. By tipping off the top inch of it, it promotes lateral growth, and the lateral growth will also promote fruiting. So we got a lot. These are good. These are really good. We got 3 of them. We had a total of 6 off of that one. I think we ended up with a total of right at 12 or 14 fruit this year, which, you know, for the second year, I'm happy, especially after the Arctic front that hit us. I was about to throw everything away. So it's working out great. Anyway, you know, it's South Louisiana. This is a subtropical fruit. The dragon fruit is, and there's a lot of work to go into getting it ready for the wintertime, I'll say. I made a pallet to where I can move it. I had built the little trailer last year, and it's a lot of work moving it and then dragging it and everything. So I built a pallet, and I ordered a set of pallet jacks for the front of the tractor. Put 2 of them on at a time. Move them in, I'll be able to pull it right up to where I need to. Grab 2 of them, pull it, it goes in the garage, the tractor does. So I'll be able to pull it right where I need to, take them off the pallet. There ain't gonna be no dragging it 40, 50 feet, picking it up and dragging it in the trailer. There ain't gonna be none of that this year, so. It's crazy. These things go crazy. And I'm really far behind on the pruning. I don't know. I will work on pulling the grass out. Even if I don't get the grass all pulled today, we're going to be putting some organic fertilizer in. With it cooling off and the warmer temperatures, I'm hoping to get some good growth before they shut down for the season. So, South Louisiana, boy, we growing some dragon fruit. Hit me up if you want to try some. I got a few. I'll send a few of them out. We'll do a giveaway in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, 2 Thursdays, 15 days from now, we're going to put out a giveaway video to give away a few shirts. Y'all keep an eye out for that. Anyway, South Louisiana Home Kitchen Hydroponics. You gotta love it. It's beautiful this morning. 64 degrees. You know, tomorrow morning is supposed to be in the 50s. The front slowed down a little bit. It's amazing. Fall is in the air. I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna go show you my broccoli. It's been in there for less than 24 hours. You ain't gonna believe it. Boy. Oh. They're liking that. We had a good rain last night. It got everything saturated. Broccoli and cauliflower. Now, if we can keep the bugs off of them, we're going to be doing some good. So finally, for the last time, y'all. South Louisiana ball. You gotta love it. Y'all grow that later.